You can easily earn money by simply shortening links. You probably think it's affiliate marketing links, but it's not. Many YouTubers mostly show that affiliate marketing is the best passive income generating method, but it doesn't work for many people, including me. So I found a new way to make money using links. That new method is called shorten links and earn money. You can earn money by shortening any useful download links and pasting them on social media. There are many link shortening websites that do this job, but I recommend the Linkvertise website. Now let me show you how to shorten links on Linkvertise. First, click the link in the description and open the Linkvertise website directly. Click on Register. Now, provide your email ID, password, and other details to register and log in. When you first enter the website, it will be in German. To change it to English, click on the settings icon on the left side. Click here to change it to English, and then click on Save Settings. Now the language has been switched from German to English. Next, click on the Create Link icon at the top. Here we need to paste our target link, which is our direct download link. I will explain later how to create this download link. After pasting the link, scroll down and click on this icon. Now provide the details about the download link. You need to provide the link's title, description, and an image. Although you can skip providing these, giving these details will help you get some extra clicks. So upload the title, description, and images for your download link. After fully updating everything, click on this icon. Now you will be asked to choose the type of ads. Selecting balanced is usually the best option, as it provides a good balance of ads. After selecting, click on this icon. Now our Linkvertise link is ready. Next, you need to paste this link on social media platforms where your download link is required. But before that, I will show you how this Linkvertise link will appear and how it works. When someone clicks and opens your link, this interface will be shown first. Once they click on Get the download link, this page will appear. If they simply open the page, view the ads, and wait for a few seconds, the download link will be available. This is a very user-friendly bypassing process. If someone fully bypasses the link, you will get a view added to your account. For every click, a small amount will be credited to your account. The more people click and bypass your link, the more money you will earn. You can see full details in the dashboard, such as how many times your link has been clicked, how many people bypassed it, and how much money has been credited to your account. Once you've earned $10, you can withdraw your amount. Within 5 to 9 days, your amount will be credited to your account. So far, I have withdrawn up to $46. Here is the withdrawal proof for the amount I withdrew via PayPal. Okay, now let me explain how I created the download link, got click views, and how you can create a download link and get click views too. I got click views by making an app review video on my YouTube channel, converting the app's download link into a Linkvertise link, and adding it to my YouTube video description. My YouTube viewers click on this link, and through that, I get Linkvertise click views. You can also do something similar by posting an app review and placing the Linkvertise link. However, this method may not work for everyone, and it's not always easy. So here's an easier tip for you. Go to the Pixabay website and download royalty-free sound effects. Then upload those on the Linkvertise website and convert them. Next, create a small YouTube video and add your download link either in the description or the comments section. Such videos are simple to create and a lot of people may download them. This is just a small tip with your own creative ways to publish your Linkvertise link. Also, keep in mind that although it's mentioned that you can earn $70 per 1,000 views on the Linkvertise website, you won't necessarily earn that amount in reality. However, it is possible to earn that much. For example, if the people clicking your link are from top-tier countries like the USA, you will earn a higher amount. So friends, this is just a small way to earn money. If you're interested, you can make good money through this method. If you have some free time, give it a try. Bye.